Okay, we have here the golf cart engine. Now, we're going to take the cylinder off to inspect the condition of the piston and the cylinder wall. Today we have me, Handyman, and we have Little Man. Say hi, Little Man.
Hi.
Okay, now we begin. We are going to have to disconnect the coil, and we're going to have to take the cover off in the spark plug. Little Man will take off the spark plug wire to the coil. And I always put my nut back on the coil back so you don't lose it. Just like alternators, starters. They're a pain to find if you lose them. Look at that. This old breaker bar. Alright, little man. Take these out. Place them neatly over there then. Here. Alright. Now we have the cylinder head off. Now piston seems like it's seized in there. So, just don't want to move. Let's detach this electric motor. Loose. Pull the belt off. That's what it is. Piston is seized. Okay. Small pry bar. we've confirmed that the piston is seized tight in the cylinder. Alright, we finally got the piston out. We came up with we had to use the slide hammer. By OTC. Beautiful. Okay. What we came up with were whoever installed the piston didn't follow the ring down and it wedged in there. Show you an example. See that? See the ring right there? Should be at least 1 or 2 thousandths of an, clearance in between there. So that's what was wrong with the golf cart. Look at the cylinder walls. Not too bad a shape. We hone those bad boys. Maybe get a new piston. But I'm not that concerned about it. I'll reuse that one. I don't recommend you do that at home. I'm doing it because I only paid $200 for a golf cart. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment below. And take care.